Have you ever found yourself trapped in a whirlpool of your thoughts, unable to snap out of it? Overthinking is like a silent epidemic, subtly draining our joy, creativity, and peace of mind. It's that nagging voice in our heads, constantly ruminating on past mistakes, future uncertainties, and everything in between. It's a mental quicksand that can easily pull us down into a spiral of stress, anxiety, and self-doubt. But there's good news. We can combat overthinking by fostering a positive mindset. Positivity isn't about ignoring life's challenges or sugarcoating reality. It's about choosing to focus on the good even when things are tough. It's about embracing hope, optimism, and resilience, and using these as tools to navigate through the maze of our thoughts. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore practical strategies to cultivate this positive mindset. We'll learn how to turn our minds into a sanctuary of peace, rather than a battlefield of relentless thoughts. So let's delve into the practical ways to cultivate positivity and break free from the chains of overthinking. A simple yet powerful tool in your arsenal against overthinking is gratitude. By consciously acknowledging and appreciating the good in your life, big or small, you're training your mind to focus on positivity. This simple act of thankfulness can shift your perspective, reduce stress, and create a sense of peace within. It's like a beacon of light, guiding your mind away from the shadows of overthinking and towards the warmth of positivity. Remember, a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. The words you speak to yourself matter. Affirmations and positive self-talk are integral in promoting positivity. These are your personal mantras, your pep talks that counteract negative self-perceptions. Try to incorporate them into your daily routine. Start your day by telling yourself, "I am capable, I am strong, I am enough." These words of affirmation will gradually reshape your mindset, replacing self-doubt with self-confidence. Remember, the way we talk to ourselves shapes our realities. Change your words, change your mindset. You become what you surround yourself with. This nugget of wisdom is more than just a catchy saying. It's a fundamental truth about how our environment influences our mindset. If we're constantly in the company of negativity, it's like trying to stay dry in a rainstorm without an umbrella. So how do we change our environment to combat overthinking? First, let's talk about the people in our lives. It's essential to surround ourselves with positive, uplifting individuals who inspire us. They are the ones who encourage us to see the world through a lens of possibility and optimism, rather than fear and doubt. Secondly, our physical environment also plays a significant role. Create spaces that promote tranquility and positivity. This could be a cozy reading nook, a home office adorned with inspiring quotes, or a garden filled with vibrant flowers. Remember, your vibe attracts your tribe, so set the tone for positivity and watch as it reverberates through your life. The power to change your life lies in changing your thoughts. Mastering the art of reframing negative thoughts into more positive or neutral ones is a powerful tool in your arsenal against overthinking. When a negative thought enters your mind, challenge it. Question its validity and seek an alternative, more optimistic perspective. This process is not about denying reality, but about choosing to view it from a different, more empowering angle. Change your thoughts, and you change your world. Every cloud has a silver lining. Let's consider this age-old wisdom. Life inevitably throws curveballs, but within each challenge, there's often a hidden opportunity. A setback can be a setup for a comeback. It's all about perspective. When faced with adversity, train your mind to seek the positive aspects or lessons learned. This practice can transform your mindset, turning obstacles into stepping stones. Trials can become teachers, helping us grow stronger and wiser. So, remember, turn your wounds into wisdom. Kindness is a language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Just as a ripple spreads out when a single pebble is dropped into water, the impact of our actions can have far-reaching effects. Through engaging in acts of kindness, we can generate waves of positivity. Helping someone else, even in the smallest way, can incite a shift in focus from our own overthinking to the joy and satisfaction of making a difference. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. You can't pour from an empty cup, a phrase that emphasizes the essence of self-care. It's not about being selfish, it's about being self-aware. Self-care activities that bring joy and relaxation are not merely indulgences. They are essential components in cultivating a positive mindset. Why? Because when you feel good, you think good. Simple as that. Engaging in hobbies, activities that recharge you, or simply taking a moment to breathe can do wonders for your overall mental state. It's like a reset button for your mind. Think about the activities that fill your cup. Is it reading a good book, going for a run, or maybe just sitting quietly with a cup of coffee? These are not wasted moments, they are investments in your well-being. So remember, it's okay to take time for yourself. You're not being idle, you're replenishing your mind and body. Take care of your body, it's the only place you have to live. You can't live a positive life with a negative mind. It's crucial to recognize and limit exposure to negative influences that feed overthinking. This can be anything from a pessimistic news cycle to toxic relationships that drain your energy. Remember, your mind is like a garden. To flourish, you must weed out the negative, making room for positivity to grow. This takes conscious effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Protect your peace, get rid of toxicity. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. And with that, we wrap up our journey into the world of cultivating a positive mindset to combat overthinking. We've explored the power of gratitude, the impact of affirmations and positive self-talk, and the influence of our environment. We've learned about reframing negative thoughts, finding silver linings, and the transformative potential of acts of kindness. We've also underscored the importance of self-care practices and the need to limit negative influences. Remember, it's about creating an environment that nurtures positivity and reduces the tendency to dwell on the negative. It's about consciously reshaping our thoughts and focusing on the positive aspects of life. Every step on this path, every act of kindness, every moment of self-care, and every instance of positive self-talk contributes to building a more positive mindset. Remember, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll delve deeper into additional strategies to combat overthinking.